Hello, my dear student. In this video, I'll give some lecture on the topic of mean. So, what is basically mean is the starting of your statistics part. Now, so first you write down the heading, that is mean for individual data. Mean for individual data. Suppose if you have the value uh, x1 x2 x3 dot dot xn, then mean is equals to x bar is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus dot dot xn divided by the number of turn. Okay, so this is the formula for individual data for mean calculation. Now you write down some examples so that you can understand. Suppose you want to question is find the mean of suppose you have 2, 3, 9 and 12. Clear? Solution. The given data are 2, 3, 9 and 12. Clear? Okay. So how many number of data you have? 4. So you please write down n is equals to 4. Is it clear from where n is coming? The number of data. So please write down mean is equals to x bar is equals to x1 x2 x3 x4 x1 x2 x3 x4. So please write down 2 plus 3 plus 9 plus 12 by divided by 4. I am using this formula. So if I simplify, it is coming 26 12 24 26 by 4. Ultimately it is coming 6.5. Is it clear? Okay, now switch to the second part. Please try to understand the second part, that is mean for individual data with frequency. Frequency means number of repetition, where you can see the same number repeats more than one times. Okay, so that is called frequency. Now, so if I have this type of data, how can I recognize this? Basically, x colon, suppose you have x1, x2, x3 dot dot xn. So here f stands for frequency. Suppose f1, it means x1 repeats f1 times, x2 repeats f2 times, x3 repeats f3 times, and xn repeats fn times. If I have this data, the mean will be is equals to x bar is equals to f1 x1 plus f2 x2 plus dot dot fn xn. Okay, then divide by f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus dot dot plus fn. Clear? So first you have to identify how many number of f you have. So you have to multiply a frequency or the corresponding number f1 x1 f2 x2 x3 f3 and so on, and last fn xn, and you divide by the total number of frequency. Clear? So this is the formula for mean under individual data with frequency. Now I am going to discuss with some numerical example. Okay, in my next class I will discuss. Okay, now we can move to the next. Now try to understand the question. Find the mean of the following data. So here we have this data. Okay, the formula already you know, x1 f1 x1 plus f2 x2 plus dot dot and divided by and f1 plus f2 plus dot dot fn, correct? So we can solve this one is a table wise. Okay, so please write down first x, then f. Okay, so here we have 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. Okay, now so here it is fx, here it is a fx. So here you have 5, 7, 12 and 2. So if I multiply 5 into 0, 7 into 1, 7, 12 into 2, 24, 2, 3 into 2, 6. Clear? So now we want to find summation of f. So addition of these two. How much it is coming? 7, 5 plus 7, 12 plus 12, 24, 24 plus 26. Please check whether it is coming or not. Okay, next is coming 30 and 30 summation fx is equals to is the summation fx means total addition of multiplication is coming 37. So then you write down mean is equals to summation fx by summation f. Summation fx means x1 f1 f2 x2 and so on, all multiplication f1 x1 and then addition. So this can be written as like this summation notation. So ultimately it is coming 37 by 26. If you use your calculator, it is coming 1.42. Everyone please check. If it is, please write in chat box or in comment section whether it is coming or not. Okay, so this is all about the mean for individual data with frequency type. In next slide I will discuss mean for group data with frequency. Okay, now I'm going to the next slide now. So our next part is mean for group data with frequency. So group data with frequency means, suppose you have interval. If I have interval and the corresponding frequency. Okay, so here you have a to b, b to c and c to d and d to e. Suppose you have it is, suppose you have f1, f2, f3 and f4. Okay, so first you need to identify the mid value, that is your m. How to calculate mid value? A plus b by 2, b plus c by 2, okay, c plus d by 2, d plus e by 2. Okay, clear? Mid value. Okay, so our formula is basically mid value is coming f1 into corresponding mid value, f2 into corresponding mid value, f3 into corresponding mid value and so on. So if I can write m1, m2, m3, m4, is it clear what is your m1? M1 means mid value of this interval. So your mean will be, mean is equals to x bar is equals to f1 m1, f2 m2 plus f3 m3 plus f4 m4 and divide by m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus m4. So here I have considered 4 interval, so that's why I'm considering f1, f2, f3, f4 and the corresponding m1, m2, m3, m4. If I have more than interval, then according to that we should calculate. So clear? From here it is first your task to identify mid value of the each and every interval. Okay, another part you need to remember, the interval should be continuous, A to B, B to C, C to D, like that. Okay, so in my next slide I'll consider one numerical example so that you can understand this. Another part is there, this can be written as basically summation Fm by summation F. Fm means F1 M1 F2 M2 F3 M3, all multiplication then addition, that is summation, all addition part in Fm mode. And the sum, what are the number of frequencies you have, so you have to sum up this. So if I know, automatically we can find the value of mean. So in my next class I will discuss with some numerical example. Okay, it is okay, formula part is clear. Now I'm discuss with an example. So the question is, find the mean of the following data. Just here you can see some intervals are given and corresponding frequency, 0 to 20, 20 to 30, 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, and the corresponding frequencies are 3, 4, 2, 1. Okay, now try to understand the solution. So first I will construct the table. Okay, that is your corresponding F, mid value, and the multiplication part. Okay, so here it is interval and here it is frequency, then mid value, that is your M, and then you write down Fm. Okay, so then you write down, and that is 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80. Okay, okay, the corresponding frequencies are 3, 4, 2, and 1. Okay, so what is the mid value? 0 plus 20 by 2, that is 10 is coming. 20 plus 40 by 2, 20 plus 40 means 60 by 2 means 30. 40 plus 60 divided by 2 means 50. 60 plus 80 means 140 divided by 2 means 70. Now if I can, so this is your M, mid value. Okay, so F into M means here it is coming 30, this into that 120, this into that it is coming 100, and 7 into 1 is 70. Now our task to identify summation of F. Summation of means if I add all together 7 plus 2 plus 1, it is coming 10, and if I can summation Fm, this coming 30 plus 70, 100, 100, 200, 320, 320. So mean is equals to x bar is equals to summation Fm by summation F. What is your summation M? That is coming 320, and what is your summation F is coming 10. So ultimately it is coming 32. So this is the process to find M, mean from the different types of data. So in this slide I have discussed mean for group data with frequency. So in this lecture you will learn how to find mean with the different types of data. Okay, in my second slide I'll share with some homework. Okay, so try to just you go through this video, then you try to learn everything about this process, and then you try to solve this set of examples or homework, whether you can say. Okay, so now please write down this question. So here I have considered three different question. One is individual data wise, and the corresponding answer will be 6. And second one is group data with individual data with frequency. If you solve, the answer will be 3.86. And third one, that is group data with frequency, the interval will be 5.93. Okay, please go through your video, this video, and if you can see your result is coming same, in comment box is write down your correct answer if it is not same to that. Okay, so or if it is correct, please write your comments. And pass on this video to your friends so that they can also get some benefit from this video. Okay, thank you my dear student. Please learn on a regular basis, practice, practice and practice. Thank you. At last, please do subscribe my channel if you are getting some good part of from here. Okay, thank you everyone, thank you.